Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Today we are going to talk about drugs. A drug is any substance when taken into the body. The body function either physically or psychologically. At this time, a lot of teenagers and adults wish drugs like like it a snack. So let's hear from everyone. We will start with Inayah.
Okay, I think the like insect in the shape of the truck because now trucks have many shapes, not only in powder and pill, but now have like a candy too. And drugs have many different types like a morphine, cocaine, sabu-sabu, and opium.
I think that's a great point. They lack knowledge about the shape of drugs. So, this makes them seem trapped. Rimbang, what do you think?
Okay, I think I definitely agree with Inaya, and I think not only that, lack knowledge about the effect of drugs also makes them not think twice. Maybe if they know about the effect, they not use drugs. The effect of drugs are to lose the body control, and then hallucination, difficulty sleeping, dehydration, hair disease, and even death. Maybe
Yes,
something like
so
this.
true. I think why keep people from getting close to drugs. So, we have what type and Amalia, what's your
Well, I agree with Inayah and Rimbang that lack of knowledge about type and effect of use drugs make them more susceptible to taking drugs. For that, we need preventive measures so that anyone is not trapped in drugs. This precaution can be started from the family environment. Prevention includes establishing early communication with children about the dangers of drugs, give examples of good habits, creating a harmonious, compassionate, and sustainable family atmosphere, supervise and recognize the association of children, instill religious values from an early age.
well, thank you. Please put on me and Amalia. Then, what happen to people addicted to what is what we try to deal with them? What do you think, Maya?
Okay, the treatment for people who are addicted to drugs, such as first, do detoxification. And detoxification is first step in self-healing treatment, and it's starting for evaluation, and then the patient will be guided to the to detox, and then it will be done. Uh, it will be done with the drugs or not. And the second is followed by counseling and behavioral therapy. And this purpose is make patients to change their behavioral or attitudes after using drugs.
So, uh, Rimbang, what do you think?
I will add some point. Continue to the rehabilitation program is needed. Rehabilitation is like restart your body and your brain, namely long-term treatment for disorders and addiction to any psychotropic substance. Rehabilitation is carried out to get rid of the psychoactive substance dependence such as alcohol, marijuana, cocaine, heroin, and so on. Existing facilities in drug rehabilitation homes, including include providing drugs for depression or drug side effects, counseling with experts, and sharing experience with other addicts. Generally, rehabilitation takes between 3 until 4 months. Rehabilitation is still divided into several types, namely residential treatment, daily care or partial hospitalization, outpatient treatment, and community care. And some point, consider joining a support group to recover from drugs net. Sometimes there is a feeling of being haunted by a fear of being judged by society. Therefore, the role of the support group is very important and needed.
Uh, yeah, I see. And then, Amalia, what's your opinion about treatment to the drug
Uh,
users?
okay, next step after rehabilitation ends. Former addicts are not simply released after leaving rehab. It needs cooperation with several parties to encourage him to stay away from drugs, starting from family, spouse, if any, and closest friends. And finally, the need for full support to give stigma attachment. It's not just family, spouse, or closest friends who need to support former addicts. However, support also needs to be given from the general public. Thank you.
Yeah, so we heard about and treatment for drug users, and I think there are all important items of drugs. So thank you very much to my participant today, and thank you to the audience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.